What's going on YouTube? Jay here, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can make $65,995 or more, like how this person that I'm going to show you made $65,995 in their first year. So this didn't happen overnight or the first week. It took them about a year to achieve this, and I want to teach you how they did this so you can hopefully replicate at least some of this. And this person made this amount on Fiverr without doing any of the cold work themselves, and they are using this new software. It's quite a new software that not a lot of people know about, and it's really highly reputable, which I really like about it, and it does all of the cold work for you. I'm also going to show you how you can rank your Fiverr gigs and 2 new freelance platforms to boost your revenue as well, so that you don't only have to rely on the Fiverr algorithm. And we aren't going to be making any logos or anything like that. This is really going to be a new and unique niche that I think not enough people do. So there's basically high demand, but not enough people do it. Meaning it pays a lot, but there's not a lot of people doing this because not a lot of people know about it, which is why I wanted to really make a video on this. And I came across this new tool that I'm going to show you in a bit, but also just to help you guys out, on the pinned comment, I will leave a download link to a Fiverr crash course that will help you get started in becoming the best seller in your niche and rank you up. So I'll just appreciate a like and a comment if you want that, but I'll leave it on the pinned comment. So the first thing we need to go and do is, let's start off by going over to Fiverr. I'm just going to come over to Fiverr and open that in a new tab. So for those of you that don't know, Fiverr is a freelance service website or network where you can hire freelancers to do different high income skills and services like that. And the thing is, what I want to talk about today is called ebook writers, not ebook covers, ebook writers. A lot of people can make ebook covers with all the Canva tools and all the free generation tools that are online, but ebook writing the actual ebook is what not a lot of people do. And the person that made $65,900, how I got that figure, just to show you, if I scroll down, it was this person here, So this person has been doing this for quite a while. As you can see, they got pro verified, so they can charge a lot more for their service because they also stand out and also because their work is good. But the thing is, they're not actually writing these ebooks themselves. I'm going to show you a tool that they are using to literally generate these ebooks for them. So just to show you how I got the $65,995 is if I take $985, which is what they're charging for the gig, and they've got 67 reviews, meaning in order to leave a review on a Fiverr gig, you need to have purchased their product. So I'm going to multiply the 985 by 67. That is $65,995 this person has been on Fiverr promoting this gig. But obviously we're not going to go and charge $985 from day one because not a lot of people will buy from us. We're brand new to the platform, so we need to go and look at others. Have a look here. This person's charging about $65, $80, $100, $50, $95, $470, $50, $135. So you can kind of get an idea that it's anywhere between $50 and $100, I'd say, on average. So it's not like it's $5, $10 for a quick logo design or something like that. It's a lot more than your usual service on Fiverr, simply because it's something that's not a lot of people are doing at all. As you can see, only 4,000 services available. For logo design, there's over 100,000 gigs, which is crazy. And if you want to, you can also get into ebook covers, but a lot of people do this as it is easy. There's a lot of tools that do this for you, but the tool that I'm going to show you now in a bit, or the software that is not a lot of people know about, does ebook covers on top of ebook writing. So you can see $50, $30, $100, $20, but here you can see there's also, it's not too bad, also 4,000 services available. So this is also not very highly saturated as well. So what I suggest is, if you also want to kind of maximize your revenue out of this, is also get into ebook covers and ebook writing at the same time. So now what I really want to show you guys is the tool that is going to do this for you. That is called Scribble.com. So Scribble.com is a great tool to kind of generate ebooks on demand or ebooks on the go. So you can create amazing ebooks reports in 5 minutes and you don't have to do any of the typing yourself. It's a very creditable and highly reputable software that a lot of people have used. I remember seeing somewhere they also have created over 10,000 ebooks somewhere. I was browsing on the internet and I saw that figure somewhere. That's how I came across this tool, and this is why I decided to make a video on this. So you can see you're going to get unlimited pages in your ebooks on demand, 50 niche categories. There's over 300 different layouts, 50 hot templates that you can get. You even get your own agency website and kind of your own e-commerce system where you can sell your ebooks through Scribble. But in this case, we're going to be using Fiverr for that. So you can see This is like a whole creative studio, stunning design, 60-second creations. What I actually wanted to show you, if I scroll on some more, we don't need to go through all these specs, is this over here. Here you can see this is what some of the ebook cover templates look like, and there's a lot more of them. There's over 50 of them. So this is only 8 out of 50, 60 pro templates. I mean, if you come over to Fiverr's ebook cover, you can see, I think the covers of this on Scribble look a lot more professional and simple than some of these on here. So I think this will be a really unique looking service to drop service on Fiverr as well. So just to take you through the steps on how this tool works. Step 1 is really simple. You're going to pick a template from any of the 60 or the 50 eye-grabbing designs across 15 profitable niche categories. So what's nice is you could literally go and create 15 gigs on Fiverr in different niches instead of one, so that you have a 15 times more chance of people seeing you and ordering from you. And then you can do the same in the ebook cover. So you technically have over 30 gigs now on Fiverr, creating different ebook writings and ebook covers in different niches as well. So each template comes with a table of contents, a professional page layout that converts readers into buyers. By the way, I'm not an affiliate or associated with this tool. I'm not getting any commissions or anything by promoting this tool in this video on my channel. I just came across it and think it's really good. That's why I'm promoting it in this video. Step number 2 is you're going to add instant content, so you don't have time to create content. Some of us have jobs, families to look after, whatever it may be. All you're going to do is you're going to enter a URL. So you can come over to a platform like eZine Articles. Let's come over to eZine Articles. Is a website where you can go and get copyright-free articles to use for your own use. So we can go, for example, let's think of Make Money Online. Let's just use the Make Money Online. So let's go Make Money Online. Let's go search. Just wait here. Unique tips to make 10 ways to make money online and earn good income. So let's open this in a new tab. What you can do is you can copy this link to this eZine Articles, which is copyright free. You're allowed to use it. That's what eZine Articles is for. You literally gonna just paste this URL in Scribble, and Scribble's automatically gonna fill your pages with fresh, ready-made content, and the ebook's gonna be done for you, which is really crazy. And then you can also fill your ebook with a selection of over 1,000 instant niche articles from their built-in content engine with a push of a single button. So they also help you, or you can upload your own Word file and Scribble will produce an ebook writing or an ebook for you. And then step number 3 is you can customize and publish. So you can pick a color theme, customize, add, delete, or edit pages, edit headlines, images, paragraph, text blocks, dividers, button, links, features, bullet lists, or any call to action areas. So you can have links and even affiliate links in your ebook. So that's another extra way to make money online, is if you create like a whole ebook on how to make money online, you can get a ClickBank products and affiliate products, have like a link in the topping the heading, my number 1 recommended way to make money online. That can be your affiliate link, and you can also make money off your affiliate links in the ebooks that you sell. And all you do is hit generate and you're done. And in about 60 seconds, you've created your eye-catching and grabbing trust-building ebook that is ready to sell online, with its Fiverr, Amazon, no matter what. And you can also go and list this on Amazon if you want to, or you can give away this ebook to build your email list. So for example, what you could do is you could create ebooks and you could start like a YouTube channel to build an email list, and then you can monetize that through affiliate offers or affiliate links or whatever it is you'd like to monetize that with. But one thing I do want to be transparent about is this is a paid tool. So it does cost $40. You get a coupon code called Morpheus where you get like a discount off. I'm not going to leave a link to this website or anything. You can just go straight to scribble.com. I'm not an affiliate, as I said, but if you can do this manually if you want to, but it will take a lot longer and it won't look as good at all. So you can use eZine Articles. You can kind of create your own ebooks out of this text. You can get some information of Quora as well, and you can build your own ebooks with something like canva.com, where you just copy paste text on a page and save that as a PDF. But it's really not as professional as all. What I suggest is the $40 investment into this. How I suggest you should see it is kind of as an investment into starting your own ebook business. It's a $40 once-off tool. You're not paying it over and over again every month or every year. It's just once off, and you kind of got to see it as an investment into your business, because this could potentially see you a lot more revenue in return. Like this person over here saw $65,000 just doing ebook writings and ebook covers using a tool like Scribble. But now what I want to show you is how to actually make money with this. What you're going to do is, Number one, you could repost a gig on Fiverr, and the nice thing is your profits are 100% yours. You're not drop servicing with someone else where you have to go and still pay them. You're doing all the work yourself and you're making 100% profit. So you can come in, charge like nice and low, like $25. Because what I suggest is in the beginning, you kind of want to charge low so everyone orders from you. You want to beat the competition, but you want to get... How I like to do business is I like to get a lot more small orders than one or two big orders, because those small orders add up a lot more and it also builds more clients, which I really like. So that's what I suggest. Like, come in $20, $15, beat the competition on Fiverr, create a couple of gigs as well, also in the ebook Fiverr, also in the ebook cover side, in the ebook cover niche and the ebook writing niche. Then what you can do is you can also come over to a platform called Latium.org, and you can also post on here. So Latium.org is basically much smaller than Fiverr, not really heard of, not really people know of this. And what's nice is they're also paying lot more ways than Fiverr. They're also paying cryptocurrency, which is nice. So what you can do is let's come over to Latium Freelancing under the products tab. You can see here's a whole bunch of different projects. So to filter by category, I'm just trying to see where you do that again. Browse here. Click on browse projects, and you can see all the different categories over here. So you want to go and find, is there a search bar? Let's look for writing and content. There we go. What you can do is you can create a gig in the writing and content niche. For example, ebook writing and ebook covers, and you can kind of just use the pictures off Scribble.com to use as your gig. So for example, let me just scroll up. You can use some of these. You can open these images in new tabs and kind of create like your own gig on Latium.org, where you can promote your ebook writing skills, and from there you can also just get more orders on here and Fiverr. And then secondly, another website is quickengigs.com, which is also not really a well-known freelance marketplace where people can buy service from you. It gets traffic, people do buy off here, but the nice thing is there's not a lot of competition either. So if I come over to, let's go ebook, I'm going to click on enter, and here you can see currently there's only, if I scroll down, literally 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 gigs on Quicken Gigs that is only doing ebook writing and ebook covers. But now this website doesn't get a lot of traffic, maybe only 20,000 visitors a month, but still, since there's only 18 gigs, all you do is, you can see none of these actually have reviews yet. So you post your gig, leave a review, and you will automatically rank number one, because you're going to beat the rest of this competition. Because the thing is with Fiverr websites and any freelance website, it is an AI. It's an algorithm that promotes these different gigs according to how many people are reviewing it, how many stars they get, the positive reviews, the positive feedbacks, how many times it gets shared. Because obviously the ones or the gigs that are performing the best, the algorithm's naturally going to promote more because it brings the website more business. So that's how that works, and how to get ranked on this website is understanding the algorithm of Fiverr, Quicken Gigs, Latium.org, and all the other freelance platforms that exist. So what I do like about this, you're not spending money on any paid traffic or anything like that. You're welcome to go use Instagram shoutouts or Facebook ads or anything like that. But the only paid tool that is Scribble.com. But like I said, you've kind of got to see it as an investment into your business. But what I'm also going to do is I've actually got quite a lot of videos on Fiverr. I've been drop servicing on Fiverr since back in 2015, when drop servicing was not even a thing. That was, I think, a big reason my channel started to grow a bit, was when I started making videos on drop servicing, a very new concept. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually leave a playlist here on the screen, some on the screen above, called Drop Servicing 2020. I've got about 20 videos compiled for you that will teach you all about selling high income skills like this without actually doing the work yourself. It's what I do full time. I'm actually busy with an entire course on this, and I've kind of just got for now the free playlist with a lot of value. There's one of my videos are about 50 minutes long. It's an entire free course that I've got on YouTube. You'll find it in that playlist somewhere. So if you want to get a lot more value on drop servicing, you're welcome to click on this little link on the screen here. Otherwise, if you enjoyed the video, I would really appreciate a like and subscribe if you're new. Don't forget to subscribe with the bell on, and leave a comment if you have any questions, and also don't forget the giveaway in the pin linked. But without further ado, until then, take care, and I'll see you tomorrow.